after I discovered these secrets, I was finally able to trade support and resistance profitably. Alright, so what am I talking about? What helped me finally trade support and resistance profitably? Well, these two things that I'm about to share with you. The first thing is that in the past, I used to consider every swing in the market a support or a resistance level. What do I mean by every swing? Well, for example, this right here I would call a swing, like the price created a swing, created a top. I would consider this a resistance level. Then, for example, let's look at singular swings, I would say. This one right here as well, this is a support level I would have considered back in the days. And the second mistake I was doing is I was using horizontal rays or lines to mark up support and resistance. And this is a big mistake in my opinion. And it is very simple, okay? Why is this a mistake? Well, because if you're using lines to draw support and resistance levels, usually price won't really reject right on that specific line of yours, right? Sometimes it would close above, maybe the third candle will also close above, and then it will get back below the line and go in your direction. But because you are using a line, you might think that, oh, because it broke above it, because it closed above it, now I am switching trends, and now I should look for a buy, for example. If the resistance level that you drew with a line has been breached, and that was a major mistake I was doing, and therefore I was losing a lot of trades in a row. And a very quick fix I did is I started using rectangles. I know it sounds crazy simple, but I still see a lot of people using lines drawing support and resistance levels. Okay, I started using rectangles, like zones, and this is how I was determining my support and resistance level. Now, the second thing I started to do is I was only looking for levels where price rejected at least twice. Okay, not once like I draw this level here, but twice. Okay, so for example, this right here would be a valid support level for me. Okay, why? Because check this out. We have one rejection, 2, 3, 4 rejections in this area right here. If we even extend it to the left side, this was also a resistance level. Okay, that was flipped into a support level. This for me would be an added confluence. Okay, and because of all these touches, this would be a valid support level. And see how I'm drawing it. I'm not using a horizontal ray, I am using a zone. Okay, it is a lot better like this in my opinion. Now, of course, if you're profitable using support and resistance and you're using horizontal lines, you should skip this video. Okay, this video is not for you, but for the other people, make sure to stick till the end. Okay, and of course, I also wanted to let you know that if you guys want to be able to see the trades that I am taking every single day, you should go ahead and join my Telegram group. The link is down below. Join it and you'll see every single day what trades I am taking. Okay, it is of course for free. So yeah, feel free to check it out. Now that we have this valid support level, I would be looking for buys when price gets to it. Okay, I would wait for a candlestick pattern. Boom, I have a pin bar. I would place a buy right there, stop loss below the zone, and take profit on the high for a nice 3R. Okay, this would have been a very nice trade. Okay, very short example, very easy. We had multiple touches. We also had a candlestick pattern. That's a trade for me using support and resistance levels. Right here again, check this out. We have multiple rejections. We have 1 rejection, 2, 3 rejections. Okay, so for me, this right here is a valid support level. Now I would look for buys in this level. I would wait for a candlestick pattern. Check this out. If this candle would have fully closed below this zone, then this zone wouldn't have been breached for me. Okay, but since it wasn't, I am still looking for buys. Whereas, for example, check this out. If you would have used a horizontal ray, you have 2 candles closing below. You would be confused. You would be like, oh, is this still a zone? Now I think it's gonna reverse on me. What should I do? But since you are using a rectangle, a zone, you're not having that problem, okay? And now check this out, boom, bullish engulfing. That's gonna be your trigger. Entry right there, stop loss below, and take profit at the top. I'm just using a basic strategy, okay? And again, this would have been a lovely trade. Also, make sure you are subscribed if you like what you see, because like this, you won't miss out on any future content. And also, turn that notification bell on. Let's look for one more example. Let's see if we can find a sell example, okay? And after that, we will end this video right here, okay? So check this out. I think we found a sell example as well. All right, so we have a rejection here, 2, 3, this one counts as well. So I would say 4 rejections. This for me would be a valid resistance level. If we extend it to the left side, we can see that this was also a resistance level back here, okay? Now we would wait for price to get into this zone, and boom, we have a doji candle right there. That would be my candlestick pattern. Stop loss would be right above the zone, and then take profit in the bottom. And okay, we faced a bit of drawdown, but then this would have been a very nice trade, okay? Of course, there's also going to be losses. Don't think that this is the holy grail strategy, because you'll still get losses. That's why risk management is super duper important. So make sure you have that on point as well. And that being said, I think this is pretty much it. I covered everything I wanted to cover when it comes to support and resistance. And I really hope this video helped someone find the missing piece of his puzzle when it comes to trading. And of course, trading support and resistance. Because I know there's a lot of people that trade it. I know there will be a lot of people in the future that will start trading it. So yeah, I really hope this video helped. That being said, once again, make sure you are subscribed. Feel free to ask me everything you want in the comment section down below. If there's any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And as always, I'll be here next week. So till then, I wish you all the best and take care.